Hi and welcome. Lisa here for Trinity Stamps. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm sharing a sneak peek of the soon-to-be released You Lift Me Up stamp and coordinating dies along with the Slimline Rainbow Builder die set. Now I've stamped a couple of the images from the You Lift Me Up stamp set onto 80-pound smooth cardstock using Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'm doing a little bit of simple coloring here with R29 on that balloon. Then E31, E33, E35, and E37 on this cutie here. Now I went ahead and I stamped that sentiment using VersaFine Onyx Black ink. And I'm going to go ahead and run these through my die cutting machine with the coordinating dies off screen. And while I'm over there, I'm going to go ahead and run one of the dies from the Slimline Rainbow die set through my machine with white cardstock twice. Now, I didn't want to give too much away with this die set, so I'm only sharing one of the dies with you in this video. I'm going to be using the Trinity Stamps A2 Foundation Stencil and Mask. I want to mask off the center of my 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch card base. So the stencil helps me center that up perfectly every time. I absolutely love that stencil. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of repositionable tape on the back of that mask to hold it in place. I'm coming in with Memento ink in the color Bahama Blue to do some quick ink blending directly on my card base. I'm starting the ink on the mask and then working it off. Heaviest pressure along the edge as I'm coming off that mask and then lightening that pressure as I move out towards the edge of the card base. This is such a gorgeous blue color. It's so bright. Okay, so here are the die cut pieces from the Slimline Rainbow die set. And I'm just going to add some mounting foam to the back of each of the clouds that I cut out. And then I'm going to line those up along the edge of my ink blended area there in the center of my card base. This is a really quick card. You could probably make several of these in 30 minutes, no time flat. I mean, it's so fast. Now, once I get the clouds placed down, I'm going to go ahead and take some twine and tie a little bow at one end of it. And then I'm going to let it loop around on itself, attach it to the back of my balloon with mounting foam, and then go ahead and adhere that in the top left area there. We're going to use a little dot of liquid adhesive to hold that bow in place, and then we'll snip the other end of that twine down. We're going to go ahead and add a small piece of mounting foam to the back of our sentiment. Now I'm going to let it overlap my cloud. So I'm adding some liquid adhesive to it as well. And it's actually going to help hold that twine down. So it serves two purposes, which is always a good thing. Now to finish this off, a few of the blue little jelly hearts. I love these things. I'm just using some glossy accents to add these on. And I do believe that's going to wrap up this sneak peek video. I really appreciate you joining me today. I hope you're joining us over on Instagram for the hop. If not, be sure to hop over there. You have a chance to win a gift certificate to the Trinity online shop. Thanks for joining me. I hope you'll click that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of new content to the channel. For more information about the products used, be sure to join us over at the Trinity online shop tomorrow. And I hope you have an amazing day.